So the first step is to partition Ubuntu 18.04. To do that, simply download the Rufus application and 18.04 Ubuntu Bionic Beaver LTS desktop image. Once the ISO image is finished downloading, launch the Rufus application. Make sure you select the options as shown. Then click Start. Once the ISO image is burned on the USB, open up the disk management. Here we will allocate around 50 gigabytes to the Ubuntu partition. To do that, right-click on the C drive and click Shrink Volume. Then enter 50,000 and shrink. Now close the window and remove the USB. Next, restart the computer, and as soon as the computer's logo starts to show, plug the USB back into the computer and repeatedly press the function 12 key. This will direct you to the boot menu. Here you can see the Windows Boot Manager and the USB partition of Ubuntu. Select the USB partition of Ubuntu. After it is done loading, select Normal Installation and click Continue. Then choose the last option of something else. Then right-click the 50,000 megabytes and choose Add. Then add a size of 40,000 megabytes or 40 gigabytes. This will be the amount of storage in the Ubuntu partition. Then make sure you select the same options as shown and click OK. Then you will see a smaller amount of free space. This will be your swap memory. Right-click the free space and choose Add. Here, do not change the size. Make sure you select the same options as shown. Then click OK. The next step is very important, so please pay close attention. At the bottom of the menu, it says Device for Bootload Installation. Select the same path as the 40 gigabyte storage in the Ubuntu partition as shown. It is important these paths match, or else you will experience major issues when booting from Ubuntu and Windows. Then create the login details and click Continue. Now Ubuntu is installing. This may take some time. Then click Restart Now. Once you click Restart Now, do not click F12 again. Let the system load by itself. Great! Now Ubuntu is successfully installed. Make sure to check that the internet is working. Lastly, in order to boot to Windows, power off Ubuntu. And when you see the computer's logo, press F12 and choose the Windows Boot Manager.